There's been quite considerable progress made in the construction of the new Barcelona stadium. That's the Spotify Camp Nou stadium. So on Tuesday, Barcelona staff and players, Hansi Flick, Laporta, Deco, and then Lamine Yamal, Pedri, all made it to the facility to inspect the place. As you can see, wearing their helmets. Barcelona and the fans are looking forward to seeing the completion of the stadium in order for them to return to their true home. Hopefully, in the coming season, the avenue gets completed to host the home events.